Hi, in this video I'll show how to use applications for embedding data from export-xls file into PowerShell. So let me show you on my computer. I have a state.xls file. Let's open it. I don't have Excel, but I have an Excel mobile, which is free version of Excel. And it's not allowing me to change anything, but at least I can see what is inside of XLS file. And sometimes it's very slow. Let's close it. Oh, you can see it has a so there is a one spreadsheet into this XLS file. It contains 4 columns: state name, state code, subregion. It contains states data, and so I will embed this data into PowerShell. Now I can access PowerShell somehow. I can access Excel from PowerShell, but my purpose is different. I don't want to have deployed Excel file with PowerShell, or like some systems that don't have Excel file installed, Excel accessibility package installed for PowerShell. So what I want to convert, I will embed this data into PowerShell, and he will have one PowerShell script that uses data for some purposes I need it. So to do this, I will install app from my website. This is my website. To find app, I will type PowerShell, and I need this page, and I need XLS table to PowerShell, and click on the load button. I will be recording more videos on PowerShell scripts, on software that creates PowerShell scripts. So if you are interested, please consider to subscribing to my channel. And if you like this idea of converting, of embedding data from Excel file into PowerShell rather than accessing Excel file and deploying Excel file, please like this video. So you can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. You can see app has been installed on my computer, and I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, I have to select XLS file I would like to use for PowerShell. So I know it's states XLS, right? This one. I'll click open. So I click on this button. Oh, let me do it again. Click on this button. Go to states XLS. Click on states XLS. Click on open, and file has been selected. Click on next. Here, I can select if my first row of my Excel file contains column names, which usually is the case. I will keep it checked. Now, here I have to select columns I would like to use. So if I want to use all columns into my PowerShell structure, I can just click it and select all, or I can select like 3 of them, right? And click on next step. And the final step, I can preview PowerShell that it creates. You can see it here. Or I can save the result as PowerShell script. So let's save it. It asks me for name and location. This name and location is okay. Just click save. Now let's go and open this PowerShell script we created. So I will just drag it from quick access into PowerShell editor. And you can see it has a data declaration. It's declared by variable, and then it has all data posted is here in PowerShell. Now, if I want to access this data into my script, I will do this. I will type following, and it will. So I can address data as a variable. Anywhere in my script, if I want to access this data, I will use date as a variable. For example, for each, we'll go through every record in data and just print state name. If I want to print a state name, state code, I can do it as well, right? Just name state code. Or I can also do like this, state name, state code, and let's do region, right? Yeah, and you can see it's printing all information from data, state name, state code. So it doesn't matter which way you like. I personally like this way because it's more like cleaner. It has less text in it. So if I change it like this, I can access like this. But it doesn't matter for PowerShell, whichever you like. I like this because this is much more cleaner. Let's run it again. Yep, save it, run it. And you can see all data is displaying. So you can see it generates like big PowerShell scripts with all data in it. But advantage of this is that we don't have to use our Excel file. We don't have to deploy. If we have to run it on some production system, we don't have to do it. We just have one PowerShell script. We deploy PowerShell script, run it, and that's it. So I noticed that some systems that has embedded PowerShell doesn't have a possibility to access even like file system on target server. And I found this, I'm using it a lot, and I found this more useful to convert data and embed it into PowerShell than have it Excel file deployed and then PowerShell accesses Excel file and go through all these problems with accessing Excel file and permissions and all these problems. I don't have them because I have everything embedded into PowerShell. So please let me know what you think. Please, if you have any questions, leave them in comments. I will answer them. Thank you.